Hello, my name is Ferd from Stella Doradus, and in this video I'd like to talk about PortSense. PortSense is a new feature on our Titan eye repeaters that automatically tests the cables and connectors between the repeater and all the antennas connected to that repeater. If I now connect this internal antenna to the port, we will see a white LED light up here on the port and also on the antenna. And this tells us that we have continuity from this port to the antenna. That means that the connectors are good and the cable is good. So here we have an outdoor Yagi antenna. Again, the grey Stella Doradus logo. I'll put it there. I will now connect the outdoor antenna. And we can see the PortSense LED is turned on for the outdoor antenna here and also on the Yagi. The PortSense feature can be monitored remotely on our cloud platform, Stella Control. So if a cable is pulled or damaged after the installation, an alert can be sent so you will be notified immediately.